Came down from Chippewa, had a station wagon and $100, thinking about the girl I'd lost the year before. Hadn't seen her for some time, thought I might go on by when your memory came flooding in, you closed the door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it was a diesel locomotive that come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby, wish it didn't have a parking needed shovel for the coal. Just to get me started, wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train. Well, every time I talk to you, I hear you jealous lines. I feel like I've been left abandoned on some old railway side. And every time I hear your voice, my water just gets cold. My stoker will not stoke, my boiler will not boil. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a diesel locomotive that come whistling down